Morning guys, first day school ni Kaden at kasama si Ella.
Grade 1 class.
Yeah, grade 1. Ito na kami sa St. Angela. Dami mga bata pero hindi pa nagsisipasukan, so wait muna kami sa labas. Dami mga bata, punong-puno. Sige, mamaya na lang ulit.
A few moments later.
Papasok na sila.
Where is Ella going? You happy, Ella? Happy si Ella. Galingan mo, Ella, ha? Ito na ang last final interview. Last mga trabaho. Final interview ng anak mo. O bakit ganito sila? Nakaangat yung mga gulunggil, no? Final interview mo na to, Ella, ha? Galingan mo, Ella. For your school. Nag-toothbrush ba yan? Ay, okay. Very good naman pala. Uy, nakakabrush. Ito na. Dito ang dating school ni Kuya, no? This is Kuya's school. And now it's Ella's school. You happy? You're excited? Yes? Ano kayang magiging time nito? Dalawa rin silang set, di ba?
Alam ko lang yung morning.
Oo. Morning.
Kasi wala naman akong nakikita na may pumapasok ng hapon.
Baka.
Baka depende rin sa araw yun.
Oo, kaya nga A and B ganun.
Kasi yung morning sa kahapon.
Excited ang lola mo. Waiting for Hello. Oh, you stand there para picturean kita. Yeah, with the flag. Ay, sus. Wait lang. Game na game.
Gusto nang umuwi.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa dating school ni Kaden. So under assessment ulit si Ella. So may 2 spots pa pero may 6 na i-interviewin. Kaya hindi pa daw sure again na makakapasa si Ella. Kaya wait na lang ulit natin. Pero hopefully makuha ni Ella yung spot na yun. No? Hopefully guys. Yun lang. So nasa loob pa siya with 3 pictures. Parang jump interview. Job interview. So sabi ni Daryl, buti na lang daw sumama ako. Kasi ano yung mga tanong, Daryl?
Hindi ko na alam kung sasabihin.
Sabi niya, buti sumama ka.
Pwedeng tayo magbukas.
Oo, meron naghihintay doon sa ay, pwede nilang buksan.
One eternity later.
Uy, nabitin si Ella. Anak, baka hindi ka makuha. We will go playing, ha? Naku, nakita na si Ella. Ayaw niya sasabihin. Upset na siya. Nabitin! Nakala niya mag-aaral na. You're not yet done?
No, I want to go there. I want to go there.
You want to go to St. Timothy?
Yes, I want to take that.
It's fine, anak. It's fine. Because the teacher is going home. May iwan na si Daryl. May kanya-kanya na kaming sasakyan, guys. Kami naman ng mga tiyanas.
So if
Babay
like
tayo ng
Ella's
shoes ni
hair,
Ella, no?
So
Yeah.
if like Ella's hair and it's black and I don't know and what kind of pretend that it's
Ano?
magic.
Parang gusto mo sumama ni Dari. Ano? Yung tumbler mo.
Tumbler ko.
I want to show some.
Ito yung pang ano ko eh.
I
Pang
want to
Aspen,
get something
hindi
to
ito
us
pang
subscribers.
Ayan guys. So yan.
There's something to us
Sasakay si
subscribers.
Daryl doon. Tas kami kay Olaf.
I want to tell something to us subscribers.
Oh, what you tell to the subscribers?
But since Ella used the black band to stick on her hair,
Mm-hmm.
Ella's gonna it matches the color of Ella's hair, and we're gonna pretend it's magic
Okay.
at the park. We're gonna do
Okay,
it.
for sure. Yeah, let's go.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, let's go.
A few moments later.
So are we going to have an ice cream first before going to the other store?
Yes. Then
Yes.
then after we find Ella's shoes, we can go back
Yeah,
to the park
so
and
yun,
make another
guys.
video, right?
Wala kaming nahanap
Okay,
na
make
shoes ni
2
Ella
videos
dito sa
today,
East.
right? Yes.
So pupunta kami ng South pero punta muna kami
No, we're gonna do 2
bibili ng
videos,
food.
Okay?
kasi nagugutom na daw sila.
No, 2 videos.
So we're on Dundee's. Excited na si Ella and Kaden. Ayan na. So is it yummy? Wait lang Kaden, baka maano naman yan. It's falling down na anak. Galing ni Ella. Ito naman yung akin. Si Daryl wala guys.
One eternity later.
Where are you going, Kaden? You excited?
Yes, we're going making a long video. so that there's now subscribers to subscribe. If you're a subscriber, like to subscribe. And if you're not a subscriber, that means you will be a part of subscribe if you subscribe to one of our videos.
Hey, si El. Excited. Ngayon lang ulit kayo nag-park, no, Baningning? Gulo-gulo ng buhok. Papasok na si Ella next week.
What you said?
Ella is going to school.
Oh, Ella's going to school next week.
Yeah.
Is it only a few days before Ella goes to school?
Mm-hmm.
Because a week is a few days.
Mm-hmm.
So I told you I'm smart.
Mm-hmm.
See, I can walk backwards.
Okay, Ella. Whee! More? Nakakapagod naman mga anak. Ayan guys, pabalik na kami. Wala na yung sunset doon na dati mo makikita, natatakpan na ng building. Nung 2023, ang ganda. Ganda dito. So ngayon, dami ng bahay, apartments. Tapos dati yan, oh yun oh, nakasilip o yan. Sunset.
What you said, Mommy?
I said the sunset.
Oh.
So nice here before. But now there's lots of apartment na.
Why it looks like before? Why is it nice before?
Because you can just see the sunset without, like that, without the apartment. Right now they build.
Now, soon the park will be soon the sun. We can see the sunset, but from the park we can see it. So that's why they built a barrier to block it from over here.
Mm-hmm.
So the orange horizon we can't see,
Mm-hmm.
but in the sunset, only or back then you can see the horizon.
Ay, sus, ang daming tanong. Oo. Naantok na ako.
We went to a road
Ay.
and we're going back and we saw a rainbow horizon.
Mm-hmm.
I just love it because it's a lucky horizon.
Yeah.
It brings everyone so lucky. very so lucky. It's just squeezing every you know. And the buildings are kind of. I'm so lucky for the buildings to go.
Ella naman, nasanay ako. Ganda na sunflower. Wild lang.
Because some more flowers are covering the doors.
Yun yung sunset to.
So a flowers would, and you will cover the doors.
Yeah?
And
It's the joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile.